In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge separate axes in Tableau. This process might seem a bit technical at first, but with just a few straightforward steps, you'll be able to effectively combine your data for a clearer and more comprehensive visualization. To start, launch the Tableau public application on your computer. This platform is a fantastic tool for creating interactive data visualizations, and today we'll be using it to combine axes in one of your worksheets. If you haven't already installed Tableau Public, make sure to do so, as it's essential to follow along with this guide. Once the Tableau Public app is open, navigate to your worksheet. This space allows you to customize and adjust your data to best suit your analysis needs. If you've previously worked on a dataset, go ahead and open it up. If not, you might want to start a new project just to practice this technique. Now, let's move on to the data itself. Drag the Order Date field to the Columns section in your worksheet. When you do this, Tableau will provide you with several options for displaying your date data. For our purposes, make sure it's set to month. This step organizes your dataset by months, so you'll have a chronological arrangement that can be easily analyzed. Next, we'll want to add our metrics of interest to the worksheet. Click and drag the Sales field to the Rows area. By doing this, you're creating a visual representation of your sales data corresponding to each month. After that, you'll also want to drag the Quantity field into the Rows area, right below Sales. This will ensure both your sales and quantity data are displayed in parallel for easy comparison. Once you've dragged both data fields, it's time to customize how they are presented. Set the sales data to display as a bar chart. Bar charts are particularly useful for quickly comparing numbers across different categories, which in this case will be our months. Then, change the quantity data to a line chart. Line charts excel at showing trends over time, giving you an insight into how quantities fluctuate throughout each month. With both charts now laid out, we need to combine them. Right-click on the quantity axis and select Dual Axis from the options. Dual axes in Tableau allow you to overlay your line chart on top of your bar chart. This enables a layered view where both metrics can be analyzed together, providing a more holistic view of the data trends. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully merged separate axes in Tableau, creating a more dynamic and informative visualization. This technique is invaluable for data stories that require a nuanced comparison between different variables over a time series. Thank you for watching, and happy data analyzing with Tableau.